So the first one is CLG4015C. It's a compact footprint hydraulic centerless grinding machines which can be used for the general engineering and the automotive industry for the mass volume production. We can convert this machine into through feed and in feed. Automations can be implemented in this machine. This is our TFC 1000. This is basically a compact footprint which is in a vertical concept which is called for a better chip management. MCD, Machining Center Division Machine 1370B. This machine can be used for the die and mold industry as well and for the pattern industry. And these machines we can add 4th and 5th axis for any precise components which is used in the medical industry and for the aerospace industry. This is our Indian make laser cutting machine LGM 3015 which is 3 meter by 1500 bed size. This machine can be used for the electrical cabinet and for any fabricated works which is comes under mass volumes. These are all the some sample components which is been cut. MCH 400 which is our premium model in horizontal machining center. This machine basically have a rotary pallet changer which is used for the mass production and to reduce the loading and unloading time. The STLR 120, first Indian make 3D metal printing machines. So this machine is basically for the compact 3D metal printing machines which is having a single laser head. This machine particularly used for the prototype component manufacturing. This is helped very well for the medical and aerospace industry so far. J300 machines which is very popular in India for any small scale, any medium scale. If you go for the mass production, they are using for this machine which is having a 165 chuck diameter and between center of 300 mm, which is having a 8-station turret. Now this machine displayed here with the front loading automations which is useful for unmanned operations. We can load the component over here. It will helpful. This will take the total loading and unloading operations. So once the operation is getting completed, the component being ejected to the operator. Sliding head stock machine which is very basic version of this machine. We can offer this machine with 6 axis and in display we are putting it only 3 axis machine which is used for any medical industry or for the mass production which is having a very slender component kind of things and for the any tube fitting components which is having a huge production, and we can incorporate with the bar feeder so that you can use this machine with the total unmanned manufacturing. And we have 4 variants in this, started with the 12 mm diameter and 20 and 25 and 32. We can offer this machine with the funnel controller which is the latest edition. CTM06LMM is a compact turn wheel center which is having a very small footprint of 3 meter by 2 meter, having a 12-station live tool turret, having 3500 RPM and 4 kilowatt live tool power. These machines basically turn wheel centers is used for the batch production components where turning and milling operations involved. CNC simulator for the 5-axis machines. This machine simulator basically used for the training purpose. All the corporate companies and all the educational sectors who is looking technically, these systems can be used. This simulator basically used for not only training the operators as well as for the programmers also. Basic benefit of this simulator is that the operator panel is as like as the machine, whatever that all the experience they have with the they are operating in the live machines.